KZen SME Quick Start Guide Part 2. Okay, we continue back where we stopped in Part 1. So now we're gonna set up the company reference number and the company bank. So again, open the module and click System Setup and Administration module. Okay, then you should find company reference number management, expand it, and you double click on the master address. Okay, so has on the previous screens, the yellow fields are compulsory. So you click the add and specify your new address ID. Now, the address ID, in this case, this address is actually, it may be different from your company address that you set up early on in your company setup. Now, reason why, because you have the option to register a different address as opposed to the real address. Okay, so hence why you need to set up this master address, and this information is used for your statutory reports later on when you want to print reports after payroll. So first, set up a unique address ID. Specify the type, whether it's company or vendor. So in most cases, for your part is company, you can ignore the vendor side. Okay. Specify the description for this master address, the address, postcode, and country, and so forth. Okay. Once you're done, you can click save, and then you can basically exit. Next, we set up the actual reference number itself. So this is, you select on the company reference number setup to do that, and so again, you click that, and you should specify a new reference code. Okay, description and the vendor. Now the vendor here, the system is already loaded with a few that is in practice in Malaysia, namely EPF, SOXO, income tax, zakat, tabung haji, baitumal, which is used in Sarawak, and pemodalan nasional berhad. So you can pick the one that's related to you, and you click accept, and the name will be displayed here. Next, you specify your company's statutory reference number. Okay, and then you tie or attach or associate the company to that particular reference number. Alright, so once you're done, you can click save, and then you can exit. Okay, that is on the statutory portion. Next, we go to bank management. Okay, first, expand bank management, and then double click on bank branch setup. Okay, you click that, and you should be able to choose the bank that you want. So in this case, the system is loaded with all the banks in Malaysia. Okay, you pick the one that is related to you, and then you click accept. Okay, specify the branch name, okay, the address, and so forth, the postal code if it's if you want to, and then next we have to create the bank account basically. So now you may have multiple bank accounts. So here the system allows you to create more than one account. Okay, so you can click that the button here, and then it should give you a new line basically, right? So anyway, you create a unique account code, okay, and then the bank account number, and then the account name, and then the currency, decimal, and then obviously if there's any remarks, you can also specify. If there's a different account, you create a new one, for example. Okay, something like that. Okay, bank. Okay, and then you can click save. So you have the option to choose which one you want. So basically, in most cases, you'll be using only one account. All right. So that's it for part 2. Next, we'll go on to staff creation, and do check back again. And if you need any help, again, you can either contact us uh, or by visiting our website, and or you can click the help for information regarding the screen that you are currently in. Okay, thank you.